everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I try and upload videos every single week. Now today I am super excited because I just got my laptop delivered and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So if you didn't know, I am currently using my Windows laptop, which is 8 years old, and it's kind of like freezing and stuff when I try and edit. And I've been researching so much about laptops, and for the price, this MacBook Air 13-inch was actually reasonable, and I got teacher's discount, which just makes it even better. And it's also got really good graphics, and apparently it's like really good for editing. I got the M1, don't really know the technical words. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've actually never had a MacBook before, and I don't use anything that's Apple. This is the first time I've actually bought something. Oh, besides my really old ancient iPad, but yeah, this is my first ever MacBook Air, and it's in the color gold, which is kind of like a rose gold color, so it's perfect. And like compared to other laptops, this is super light, and yeah, it's just like easy to put into my bag. I just think it's like really good for someone like me who travels a lot. But saying this, I'm gonna have to learn how to use this because I am a beginner, and it means that maybe editing might take a while. Yay! It's got this little like thing you can pull on. I guess it's so that it's easier to come out. And it's in a little plastic sleeve. That's nice. Inside you've got the cable, and then I guess here you have, what do you have here? You have like a little manual, and then oh yeah, now you have the socket so that I can charge my laptop. So yeah, now let's take a look at the MacBook. Yeah, so it's like super light, so small. This is perfect because my other laptop is so heavy and just broken, so I can't really take it anywhere. But this is a laptop, so I can finally use it on my lap. Oh, I got Apple Care with this, so they've already installed some stuff into my laptop. Oh yeah, so as you can see, it's like on.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Return key. Okay. English. I guess I want to press English UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Yes, British English. Return key. This is so cool. Select your country or region. So right now I'm in Hong Kong. The following languages are commonly used in your region. You can set up your Mac to use these settings or customize them individually. So yeah, preferred languages is English. They've put Cantonese and Chinese in there. And yeah, so I'll just show you. These are like the settings. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly like go through all of these settings and then get back to you.
A few moments later.
So I finally finished setting everything up and now it looks like this. I guess tomorrow my friend's gonna help me use this, so I'm just gonna wait for him to like tell me what I need to know. But I also bought this, so I got this USB Type-C which has 6-in-1. It has everything that I need. So 350 Hong Kong dollars, which is like £35. I also got this like really cute little pink laptop case from Cotton On. This was on sale, so, and it's got a little pocket at the front as well. So yeah, I'll be carrying this around with me. So yeah, I won't be saying goodbye to my other laptop yet until it like fully breaks, but I will definitely be using this for editing only and the other one for like other stuff. But this is just like easy to carry around that I can actually bring it outside. So yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna play around with this and go now, so I'll see you tomorrow.
So near this cafe there's an electronics store. That's where I bought my 1TB external SSD for just under 900 Hong Kong dollars. Then Kenneth showed me all the basic functions, keyboard shortcuts, etc. And yeah, this cafe is super nice, so you should check it out if you haven't been.